Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is November 8th, 2023. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We got some interesting things to show you guys today. Try to get this in here. We're in between, we're in the hour when the market is closed, the futures is closed. I take that back. Let me show you guys the US 10-year real quick. This is a 1 here of cycle degree, and this is a 2 of cycle degree. That came from the year 2020 low. Okay, we've got a 1 up with a circle, a 2 down in a circle. There's the 3 up, came close to our target there. We're in wave 4 with a circle. There's the 382. It's hit right by it twice. There's the 50% at 4.357 is the 500 target, retrace target. That's the word I'm looking for. The 618 retraces at 4.222. And there's the wave 1 high right there at 4.094. Shouldn't go lower than that. If it goes lower than that, the count's wrong. Every time we make a wave count or a trade, the first question we ask is where is it wrong? That's where it's wrong when 4 goes below 1. Otherwise, we're looking at a move up, eventually to 7.255, but we got to take out this wave 3 high first and finish wave 4, and there's wave 5 and the larger wave 3. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the E-minis. We're looking at a daily chart. There's a lot on here. I want to show you guys these blue lines are the Fibonacci time span from TradingView. I'm relatively new to that. Okay, I've been doing Fibonacci time spirals for over 25 years. Okay, there is the B wave high. It's high at 4 degrees of trend. We have a 1 down with a circle, a 2 up with a circle, and then we have a 1 down with a parentheses. Here's our wave 2 targets. If you follow in the black, you can see we've had 1, 2, I think about 8 or 9 days in a row of up. Okay, so we're looking for 5 waves up for wave A, 3 waves down for wave B, and 5 waves up for wave C, which will end wave 2. Where is it wrong? 2 cannot go above the start of 1, which is 45.66. So that's what we mean by make or break. Here's our Fibonacci retracement targets. I mentioned again, we had a trigger down here at 41.85. It enabled our subscribers to get over 225 points worth of move if they acted on that trigger as these targets were attained. And so far the high is the 44.0775 attained today. By the way, that's where we had a target where 5 equals 1. We'll get to that on the shorter term, okay? This gap here below is still open. It will be closed when wave 3 down commences and goes below the wave 1 low, but for now we're looking at where's the top of wave 2, okay? Again, there are the targets. Let's get out of that daily and go to the hourly. Okay, on the hourly, there's that wave 1 low on 1027, which you see down here. Okay, 1 with the parentheses. So we're looking at 2 up. We've got a 1 up, a 2 down, a 3 up, a 4 down, and a 5 up. Okay, we had a target there, and we'll get to it when we go over our reports, but the minimum requirement for the 5th wave is to move above the 3rd wave, and we want to see 5 waves. We have both of those, so it appears that this move up to wave A high is complete. All right, the make or break again would be the 44.0775 high, so we could look for a move down. And here's that again, that trigger that we had back here, 41.85, and so far it's 44.07, so that's in excess of 225 points to the upside. I think we want to get into, I don't think, yeah, let's go to the 10-minute. Okay, so we'll pick that up. There's that wave 3 there. There's that wave 4, and there's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 5, which should be the high of wave A. Okay, if that's A in parentheses up, we're looking for 3 waves down. After 5 waves up for A, 3 waves down for B. Within B, we get an A, a B, and a C, and that C should have, no, well, that's right. That's where C equals A, and that'll complete the larger wave B. Hope I'm not confusing people. Anyway, from this high, we're looking for a down, up, down. And here's our down targets here for wave C. Where is it wrong? A move above 44.0775. Where is this high? 44.0475. You can see a really a tight stop, if you will. We're not a trading service. We don't recommend trades. Never have, never will. But what our customers have been doing, our newsletter subscribers, should I say, they've been taking our make or breaks, and you'll see it on the chart, and using that as a stop, and then they enter, say, a short here whenever it opens, put the stop there, and it's a what, a 3-point potential loss if you're wrong. Okay, $50 a point, that's $150. Okay, and that's your risk. Okay, where is it wrong? Right there, 4407.75, and then your reward is the targets. Okay, pick your target. Okay, it could be any one of these, but it's definitely profit from 44, basically 08 to 72. That's 28 and 836. That's 1800. 1800 to what was it? 150, 300. So really good risk reward ratio there on the 10-minute chart. I can show you guys this in our market close we put out earlier today for our newsletter subscribers. By the way, we got a turn date 11/9. I think I showed you guys that. Let me get back into that. This is the Fibonacci time span. Again, I'm relatively new to this. I've been experimenting and watching it for the last several months. I think if this is the daily time span, then the 4.618 is right here on November 9. Okay, on the daily chart. If I use that Fibonacci time span on the hourly chart, I'd have to go way back here. Let me see if I can do it. Give me a minute here. We got a lot of information here with triggers and targets. Bear with me while I try to put that on there. Okay, let's do the time span if we can. We'll start at that 9-1 high and get that to the, what was that, the 818 low. That doesn't go out that far on the hourly. Okay, never mind. My apologies. Let's undo that. We'll get to that later. But we got 11.8 and 11.9. Let me move this back over and get it out of the way. Remove. Okay, excuse me there. We'll get to this on the report. Okay, on the time zone we got 11.9 and the other one hit on 11.8. I'd have to find that. But the time zone is calling for a turn date now or tomorrow. The time spiral, of which I've been using for over 25 years, has a turn date of 11/16. Okay, you can see it there and there. Okay, there's that wave up again, wave A up. Okay, we got 5 waves up, which we were looking for. If it moves above 4407, then we're looking at these higher targets here. This is where 5 equals 1, and this is where the 786 retrace was of the previous decline. There's where it's wrong, the 45.66 at the larger degree of trend. All right, and there's our 222.75 point gain from our upside trigger. Okay, that should be ending here. And while 5 gains equality with 1, minimum requirement is that it moves above the wave 3 high. It did. Okay, so that's what we're writing about and talking about. All right, what do we need to see going forward for confirmation that A up is complete? Okay, we need to see 5 waves down from the 4407.75 high, and we had that there, okay, that was 5 waves down for A, and then we need to see 3 waves up to a lower high. Okay, so there's the 5 waves down for A, 43.75. There's the 3 waves up for B. It stays below that high so far. Okay, if it goes above, excuse me, 4407.75, it hasn't. Okay, so the second set of criteria would be unchecked. But as of now, so far so good. Then we need to see 5 waves down to below the wave A low, and here are those wave C targets. Okay, so we're looking for 5 up, which appears complete. If not, it'll hit those higher targets right here. And then we've got an A, B, C down, and these are targets for C. As soon as 43.75 is taken out to the downside. So this is our trigger and targets. Our customers are loving these, or should I say our newsletter subscribers. Okay, there's the upside trigger, there's the targets, there's the downside trigger, there's the targets. We could save all this. I think this is self-explanatory. Excuse me. I could show you guys this chart and not say a word, and you should know what's going on. Okay, 5 completed waves up here for wave A, B, C for wave B. A is complete, B looks complete, C will be complete when it goes below A. There's the targets. If it's wrong, it goes above 44.07. Then there's your targets. Okay, so our subscribers for a long time have been prepared for anything, upside and downside. We have triggers and targets, so we know where we're wrong, we know where we're right, and if we're wrong, we know where it's going. Okay, so we'll see what happens here the next couple days into the turn dates approaching. Okay, I apologize for my voice, and until next time, take care, everyone.